inside the Niger Delta.
The emergence of Senator Omo-Agege as Deputy Senate President makes him the highest-ranking political office holder from the Niger Delta. By virtue of his exalted position as Deputy Senate President, Senator Omo-Agege is expected to drive the process of constitutional reforms to address social injustice in the Niger Delta, as Benjamin Ogbalo, a chieftain of the All Progressive Congress in Delta State, observed in an interview with Inside the Niger Delta.
With his vibrancy, he's going to energize the process of collaboration in the region, because that's one thing that is missing. As you know, the Niger Delta State has a lot of resources already, either from budget or natural resources. But what's been missing is an energizer, somebody to take leadership and bring them together so that they can start pursuing some joint services that can transform the region. So clearly, from his current position, he will need to take that leadership, and without having any doubt that he can do that. He's going to galvanize the region to start thinking in the right direction, to put massive infrastructure and human capital development in place for the region. Now, we also know that one key thing that needs to happen in the region is to work with the national government to ensure that there's some resource control. So, you know, we'll be talking about restructuring through federalism. I think distinguished Senator Omo-Agege will lead these issues. This is a good chance, and I don't see how we're going to miss it. It's not going to be possible this time.
Benjamin Ogbalo was, however, optimistic that the new Deputy Senate President is equal to the task of his exalted office.
I want to thank the President, Muhammadu Buhari, for supporting Ovi's aspiration, and of course the National Chairman of APC, and indeed the 9th Senate, for deeming it necessary to give the Niger Delta, South-South, the opportunity to produce the Deputy Senate President, Omo-Agege. As you know, Omo-Agege is very bright, and surely he will do a good job on that seat. He's an astute lawyer, and is a good mobilizer. He understands, you know, how to galvanize both people and resources, you know. Now, you will recall that Omo-Agege in Labour Party was not very strong in Delta State, but won the ticket of the Senate. So it also means that he also understands the politics.
In the second leg of the Buhari administration, supporters of the APC in the Niger Delta look forward to the implementation of the recommendation of the party's panel report on the restructuring of the country. Well, that's the size of our package in this edition of the program. Inside the Niger Delta, the authentic voice of Nigeria's oil-rich region will be back on this station same time next week. You can follow us on our social media handles showing right now on your screen. Until then, I'm yours sincerely, MAMODE AKUGHA, thanking you on behalf of the production crew for staying tuned. Bye for now.
Inside the Niger Delta.